2011 Chevy Silverado 1500 Texas edition, 5.3 liter. Still got the stock converters there and there. There's. Then it's got a third converter and a flex pipe. I know you guys hate that third converter, but we can't take it off in the state of Tennessee. Then we did a FLOWMASTER Super 10. Then we did the 2.5-inch pipe out the side into a massive dual tip right before the front tire right there. They just look really pretty and they sound phenomenal. Phenomenal! Tell us what you guys think in your comments of the sound of this beautiful beast. And if you guys want the Super 10 or the tip, you can look in the description for a link. Thank you. Much better. Don't you guys hear it? I love them out the side. They always sound really good.